Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I bring you the 2012 Ford Mustang V6 Premium. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Mustang. We'll start it up, we'll show the engine, get an exhaust clip and go some performance data, and show many of the features on it into its exterior. So, without further ado, it's going to start up, let it run. It's a candy red exterior. With a full black leather interior with the white stitching. Also perforations in the seats. It's got 34,000 miles on it. Perfect. It's got a very smooth power sense steering. Fully leather wrapped with side bolts and extension off to the side. It's got a 6-speed automatic transmission with logo selection, as well as your downhill assist control activated by that button there. It's also leather wrapped. Leather stitch e-brake. And we're going to turn the headlights. So the hazards. Both of the front mirrors are fully automatic. And we're going to check the exterior, shall we? Standard halogen headlamps. Michelin tires. Rear quarter windows. Sequential turn signals, which I'll demonstrate that in just a few minutes. Rear decked spoiler, as well as the third brake light. The dual polished exhaust tips. Ford's capless fuel flow system. And I'll demonstrate the sequential turn signals. And we're going to pop the hood. This Mustang V6 Premium comes from Ford's 3.7 liter V6. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat with main and recline, power lumbar as well as power sliding, tilting, and height adjustment, Mustang logo, driver information system, as well as a full manually tilted steering wheel. I'm going to shut it up. Your climate control. Kind of hard to assess with the shifter being in front of it. Your max AC, recycling, in the different zones. Close the temperature. Turn it off. This was your rear defrost and front defrost. Also comes with Ford Shaker 500 audio system. The preset stations, clock, phone, menu. Folder, text, direct will scan.
Great as me.
Pretty simple to use. CD player. Outlet. Cup holders. Those ambient lighting. I'll show how that works in just a few minutes. Trunk release. As well as your traction control.
Country 97.1, Hank FM, the home
USB and auxiliary input, so as a power outlet.
Gloriana, the sun is pointed right.
Volume controls, cruise control and steering wheel.
Courtesy of Royal Pin Leisure Centers.
Garage home link. There's the auto dim in your rear mirror. Demonstrate the driver information system, it's off to the left. If you want to change the color, hit setup. Also the steering feel, if you want it more standard, sport, as well as comfort. As well as gauge color. You probably can't hardly see this, but red, ice blue, white, green, purple, blue, orange, red, and back to ice blue and white. Then if you hit setup again, halo light, if you want to turn it off or on. Halo color, pretty much the same things as I just went through. Ambient light. Hit setup again. If you want it dim or low. Okay, ambient color, red. It's orange, red, just my color. Ice blue, white, green, purple, blue, and back to orange. Alright. Then we're going to shut it down. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Okay, enter to the back seat. Just pull this little lever here. Of course, you have to scoot the seat up. It's quite small, but it's not a passenger traveling vehicle, of course. Check out the trunk. Modest amount of cargo space for a vehicle this size. Spare tire with all the jacking instructions. Chrome door handles. I'm not getting in the back seat though, it's really hard for me to get out. But it is quite tight. Depending if you're almost 6 foot. Not a bad sports car, really nice. Definitely a huge competition between the Camaro and the Mustang. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the full in-depth tour in this 2012 Ford Mustang V6 Premium. Stay tuned next time, there's a lot more that came from. Take care, guys.